Ladies, I bet a few of us know how discomforting it is to have a vaginal infection, or how embarrassing it is to have bad there, or be given a one-night stand because it is loose. Don't despair, because we now have a solution called LAVet.
LAVet contains natural ingredients that help get rid of vaginal infections such as toilet infections, urinary tract infections, candidiasis and E. coli that can cause pelvic inflammatory diseases.
As it fights against female genital infection, LAVet rebuilds the vaginal wall muscles and gets them tightened for much pleasure in our marriages. LAVet also has and provides clean feeling, a natural aromatic scent, 247 freshness, and the part you like best, a virgin-like tightness. LAVet, I love it.
Distributors, pharmacies, supermarkets can please call